In this video you will learn how to fix Spectrum modem blinking blue and white. First, understand the meaning. A blue blinking white light usually means the modem is trying to establish an internet connection but has not completed it yet. Check the cables. Make sure all the cables such as the power and the Ethernet are securely plugged in and undamaged. Restart the modem. Unplug the modem power cord from the wall. Wait 30 seconds and try to plug it back in. Wait for up to 5 minutes before reconnecting it. Restart your router. If you have a separate router, unplug it too, and restart it after the modem is fully back online. Check the service outage. Using the My Spectrum app, or call Spectrum support to see if there is a local outage in your area. Reset the modem if needed. Use a paperclip to press the red button or the reset button on the back of the modem for about 10 seconds. You can only do it if restarting did not work. Contact Spectrum support. If the blinking continues for more than 10 to 15 minutes, contact Spectrum customer support for further help. Now you know how to fix Spectrum modem blinking blue and white. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.